Saion Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I'm the founder of 10yearsoldkids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it and press that notification bell too so that you receive my videos. First. You receive my videos first. Oh yeah. So without any delay, let's get started. And today we are going to do a really important topic. That is this keyword. So are you ready? I think so. Let's get started. Okay, so I'll go to Google Chrome and I'll just open this keyword. So the JavaScript this keyword. What is this? The JavaScript this keyword refers to the object it belongs to. It has different values depending on where it is used. In a method, this refers to the owner object. Okay. Alone, this refers to the global object. In a function, this refers to the global object. In a function in strict mode, this is undefined. Do check out my strict mode video. It is a really important topic too. Okay. In an event, this refers to the element that has received the event. Methods like call and apply can refer this to any object. Okay. So let's go. Let's start a journey of this keyword. This in a method. In an object method, this refers to the owner of the method. In the example on top of this page, this refers to the person object. The person object is the owner of the full name method. Okay. If you try it yourself, so okay. So like it is the owner. So if I run this, John Doe is coming over here. And let me tell you why. Because like this is like equals to person. So person dot first name. But we can't use person instead of this over here because we are doing work inside the person object only. That's why. Okay. So this dot first name. So this dot first name is John plus a space and plus this dot last name, that is Doe. Okay. This alone, when used alone, the owner is the global object. So this refers to the global object. In a browser window, the global object is object window. Okay. So like variable x is equals to this, so object window. Okay. So in strict mode, when used alone, this also refers to the global object window. So, like in strict mode also, do check out my strict mode video. In that, if this statement was in a function, this would have referred into it wouldn't have referred to the object window. Instead, it would have referred to that. It wouldn't have referred to the object window, but it would have given undefined. Okay. Do check out my strict mode video. This in a function default. In a JavaScript function, the owner of the function is the default binding for this. So in a function, this refers to the global object window. Okay. So if I do return this, then it refers to the object window if it is not in strict mode. But if it is in the strict mode, so JavaScript strict mode does not allow default binding. This is a really important statement. So when used in a function in strict mode, this is undefined. Okay. So if I do over here, so it is giving undefined because strict mode does not allow default binding. Okay. this in event handlers. In HTML event handlers, this refers to the HTML element that received the event. Okay. So in HTML event handlers, this refers to the HTML element that received the event. So like this will, if I go try it yourself, so click to remove me, it will do this, because this, so it is removing itself, this is removing itself. Okay. So object method binding. In these examples, this is the person object. The person object is the owner of the function. So in these examples, this is the person object. The person object is the owner of the function. Okay. Yup. Okay. So it is like that. In other words, this dot first name means first name property of this person object. So I told you that this is equals to person dot first name, this, but like we can't use a person instead of this over here because we are working inside the person object. Explicit function binding. So now we are on a really important part, explicit function binding. So basically what explicit function binding does is, like in object method binding, there is default binding, like the JavaScript will like said that this will refer to what, so what object, so this is referring to person object, that JavaScript is setting it, we are not setting it. But in explicit function binding, we can set that this keyword will refer to which object. So if we are using this keyword in person 1, then maybe it can refer, it is referring to person 2 in explicit function binding. So you'll see it down below. So like this is used in person 1, though the full name method is of person 1 object, this still refers to person 2 object because of this call statement. So the call and apply methods are predefined JavaScript methods. They can both be used to call an object method with another object as argument. So like if we didn't do this, we didn't write this statement, then it would have given undefined because it didn't find this dot first name and this dot last name in this person 1. Okay, that's why that is important. So like this is like passing values into the function type of. You can read more about call and apply later in this tutorial. Okay. In the example below, when calling person 1 dot full name with person 2 as argument, so person 2 as argument, this will refer to person 2 even if it is a method of person 1. Okay. So explicit function binding, in explicit function binding you can set that this keyword will refer to which object, but in object method binding you cannot set that this will refer to which object, JavaScript will set it. Okay, so over here John Doe is coming. Okay, so thank you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it and press that notification bell too, so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos.